Draper, Law Tutor at UVHS.
Hi there, I'm Ben Wallace. I'm one of the law teachers here at UVHS.
You should study law at A Level because it's one of the most interesting subjects that there is. I can honestly say that I've never come across a student who's regretted taking this A Level, and the results are good. The type of student that you need to be for the course is hard-working. It is an extremely difficult course. You're also going to need to have a really good memory. There are literally hundreds of cases that you need to memorise. You need to be quick at writing, and you also need to have a personality that's rather mature because you're going to be coming across a lot of cases that are quite upsetting. I'd also recommend that you have an interest in current affairs and what's in the news.
Okay, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about the course and what it's like to study law. In terms of what we cover, there are basically 4 elements of it. The first thing that you'll learn about is the English legal system. So you're going to learn about the structures and procedures that are in place for how the law works in this country. After that, you'll then look at 3 areas of substantive law. So what we mean by that is areas of law that impact on people's lives. So you'll study criminal law, looking at things like theft and non-fatal offences and murder and robbery and bits and pieces like that. You'll study tort law, which is all about where individuals might cause harm to one another and so they sue each other in court. So rather than the state trying to put people in prison, it's people suing for compensation. You'll learn how to bring a case and how to defend a case. Finally, you'll look at contract law, which might be particularly interesting for those of you who want to pursue a career in business or commerce. And again, that's where we look at what makes a contract, how contracts are agreed between the parties, and what happens if one side fails to live up to their side of the contract. Now, the second thing I want to talk to you about is our way of studying, because what we're really interested in law is problem solving. By the time you get up to year 13, you will have learned enough law so that you can be presented with a complex problem and use your technical knowledge and skills to solve that problem as any lawyer would. As well as Law A Level, we also offer the Law Society in school as well. This is open to those who are studying Law at A Level, as well as other people who are doing other subjects but might be interested in following a career in law too. One of the main events that we do is the Bar National Mock Trial Competition, which is where groups of students participate in a national competition where they recreate a criminal trial in court. This is probably most interesting for those who are interested in advocacy and maybe want to pursue a career being a barrister. For those who might want to pursue a career as a solicitor, we also offer the Legal Apprentice course as well, which is a series of legal problems offered by a private solicitors firm in a national competition. Alongside this, we also try to get visitors into school, and we've had recent visits in the past few years from magistrates, a judge down at Preston Crown Court, as well as working lawyers for local firms and at BAE as well.
Law is one of the most popular courses at UVHS, and that's because we get the results. Not only that, but we keep in touch with a lot of our students who have gone to university. We've had students go to Newcastle, Northumbria, lots and lots go to Leeds, Liverpool and even Luxembourg. Students have now qualified as successful solicitors, and we've also got barristers in the making too. Students have ended up working in successful international law firms. They've become on the route to being a barrister, solicitors in local firms, and all keep in contact and say that this is where their dream began, and that makes us really proud.
We hope you found this informative and interesting, and we look forward to seeing you in September.